Korean conversation. 한국어 대화. Lesson 4. 제4과. The first phrase is 실례합니다. 실례합니다. It means excuse me. The next is 길을 잃어버렸어요. 길을 잃어버렸어요. It means I've lost my way or I'm lost. The next is 좀 도와주실 수 있을까요? 좀 도와주실 수 있을까요? Which means could you help me a bit? Use 실례합니다 to get someone's attention. Then use 길을 잃어버렸어요 so that the stranger knows why you approached him or her. And then 좀 도와주실 수 있을까요? Is a really helpful phrase. You can use this phrase for other situations as well. Let's look at another phrase. This phrase says 는 어디에 있어요? 는 어디에 있어요? Which means where is. The next phrase is 이가 어딘지 아세요? 이가 어딘지 아세요? Which means do you know where blank is? If asked the question 이가 어딘지 아세요? Which means do you know where? The person might respond no in an effort to avoid the hassle of giving you directions. So it might be better just to ask to the point with 는 어디에 있어요? Where is? That way the person can't respond no and walk away. This next phrase is 애는 어떻게 가요? 애는 어떻게 가요? Which means how do I get to? The next phrase is 애 가려면 어디로 가야 해요? 가려면 어디로 가야 해요? Which means if you want to get to where do I have to go to get there? The next phrase is 애 가는 방향을 좀 가르쳐 주시겠어요? 애 가는 방향을 좀 가르쳐 주시겠어요? It means could you tell me the direction to get to? 애는 어떻게 가요? And 애 가려면 어디로 가야 해요? Are used when you want specific directions or methods of getting to a certain place. However, 애 가는 방향을 좀 가르쳐 주시겠어요? Is used when you want a general direction like east, west, or a general landmark towards where you are going. Let's look at another phrase. This phrase is pronounced as 여기서 서울까지 얼마나 멉니까? 여기서 서울까지 얼마나 멉니까? It means how far away is it from here to Seoul? This next phrase is 걸어서 10분 걸립니다. 걸어서 10분 걸립니다. It means it takes 10 minutes by foot. The term 걸어서 literally means by walking. So the sentence 걸어서 10분 걸립니다 means it takes 10 minutes by walking. You can also substitute methods of transportation, but use 로 instead of 어서. So for example, 기차로 10분 걸립니다 means it takes 10 minutes by train. The next phrase is 이 길을 따라 가세요. 이 길을 따라 가세요. It means follow this road. Let's look at the next phrase. This phrase is 쭉 가세요. 쭉 가세요. It means go straight. The next is 왼쪽에 있습니다. 왼쪽에 있습니다. It means it's on the left. The following is 오른쪽에 있습니다. 오른쪽에 있습니다. It means it's on the right. The next is 이쪽입니다. 이쪽입니다. It means it's this way. The following is 그쪽입니다. 그쪽입니다. It means it's that way. The next is 저쪽입니다. 저쪽입니다. It means it's that way over there. Knowing certain words can be helpful in understanding the directions partially. For example, the demonstratives 이, 그, and 저 can give you a sense of where the speaker is directing his or her attention. So for more on the demonstratives, go to the Korean Grammar Series Lesson 9. Also, knowing 왼쪽 and 오른쪽 can be helpful in giving you a vague idea of direction, even if you can't understand all the directions by the speaker. Let's look at another phrase. This phrase says, 미안하지만 저는 여기 사람이 아닙니다. 미안하지만 저는 여기 사람이 아닙니다. It means I'm sorry, but I'm not from around here. The next phrase says, 죄송하지만 잘 모르겠습니다. 죄송하지만 잘 모르겠습니다. It means I'm sorry, I'm not very sure. You might not get the response you want from people. So here are the common reasons why people may not give you directions. 미안하지만 저는 여기 사람이 아닙니다. I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. And 죄송하지만 잘 모르겠습니다. I'm sorry, I'm not very sure. Let's move on to the next phrase. This phrase is 네, 알겠습니다. 네, 알겠습니다. It means yes, I understand. The next phrase is 도와주셔서 감사합니다. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. It means thank you for helping me. This next phrase is 천만에요. 천만에요. It means you're welcome. It would be nice to thank people for giving you directions, instead of leaving abruptly after someone gives you directions. So here's something you might want to say. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for helping me. That's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.